Hello everyone, welcome here. Array creation and initializing, how to deal with array elements in C++ programming. So here you will learn array elements to deal in C++. Let's see. By initiating, press the start button and start Visual Studio. Watch the editor. In this particular project I'm going to initiating this Visual Studio, and if you are willing to prepared for your local computer system, the editor which you are familiar and you are using, please try to use the same one. Alright, now here this is the window where we will write the program in C++. We have discussed about this all the things in our C++ basic course, like a C++ fundamentals. Now we are going to in continuation of this lectures of C++ intermediate with array concept. Now array is usually used to storing multiple data items into a single variable, which is called array. So declaration of an array is very super easy. The data type, like what is either int or string or boolean and char, this type of data we have to specify, and name of the array we need to take, and size of the array we need to define. So in this way, I am going to taking and defining here array variables of score of and equal to these parentheses curly braces and terminate. Now this score array size we have to define. So for an example, 6 of array elements I am trying to giving here, 10 and 20, 30, 40 and 50. Sorry, it's a 50. Whatever the number you wish to give here, you can. So 6 items, 1 2 3 4 5, and one more, it could be 60. Any number of items you may store. Like integer array means I have stored numbers. If you are taking a string array means you can push the string with data types with irrespective of double quotes and put the data items. It's not mandatory. Strongly remember, this is the array size I have fixed for 6 elements. It's not mandatory thing. If you wish to fix or may not. If you are not putting means unlimited array size will be allocated for this particular variable. So you may keep on adding the array data at your requirements. Alright, and recommendation is, if you know the array size, what the elements are going to be insert and sitting inside the array, so define. So that space of memory allocation will be done to this particular variable, array variable. Now reading of array variable is cout. Using of cout we have to learn, using namespace std standard library, we can use a cout. Okay, IO stream and string and namespace also we are using as a namespaces here. Now cout to reading array, you may see here selected. If I want to read, selected score is take a score of score of 0. Array will start reading from 0. Array is going to be start reading from 0th elements. So this is an 0 element, this is a 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. So array is going to be starting as an index positions of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it will go. If I selected array of a score of 0 means we will get in output as 10. Let's save this by pressing Ctrl S or take a floppy, and if you are having multiple files, you go for this option save all, Ctrl Shift plus S. 3 options you need to use to save a document. Once it is completed saving without knowing if any errors in the area, so what you need to do, just simply go here, local Windows debugger, click the local Windows debugger to run and compile. You will see an output here a selected score is 10 from this output. So the cout and the terminal output you are observing here, and the selected score is a score of 0 indicates first element, which is the 0 you are getting here. how beautifully you are learning this thing. So in this way you have to learn quickly for this C++ programming to elements. Like if I change it the 0th position to 1 index position from the array 1, so we will get like a 20, 0, 1. So let's see, we'll have a look into that. Yes, we are getting next element. So all the irrespective of data items, you may take n number of items from the array. You can read by specifying the index position of an array. I hope it's a super easy lecture. We'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.